Macintosh Lifting, Macintosh Lifting, Macintosh Lifting, Macintosh Lifting.
Macintosh Lifts Incorporated presents the Olympus, the second product range of cobalts. If the IntelliJ budget wasn't enough for you, now there is something cheaper for you, the Olympus, fitted with all the standard Macintosh logic, just cheaper cab components. We made the Olympus our cheapest model so you don't have to squeeze the budget on such a necessity. Take the Olympus today and you'll know your passengers will be riding in style and you won't have to worry about high costs. Credits to Fly Us Fan for assisting with all Macintosh products.